Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to export photos from public channels on the Telegram app for PC with the newest update. If you've been looking for a simple way to save all the photos from your favorite public channels in one go, this process will make it quick and easy. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on the three lines icon. This will open up the main menu where you can access all your settings and options. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, choose the option labeled Advanced. This section contains tools and additional functions that go beyond the regular chat options. Now, once you're inside the Advanced menu, scroll down until you find the feature called Export Telegram Data. This is where you'll be able to choose exactly what type of data you want to download from your account. On the Export menu, you'll see several options. Since we only want data from public channels, make sure to check the box for public channels. This will ensure that Telegram only prepares the content you need and avoids exporting unnecessary files. Next, as you scroll further, you will notice different types of media that you can include in your export. Go ahead and check Photos. That way, only photos from public channels will be gathered for you. When you're ready, click on Export at the bottom. Telegram will then begin preparing your data. The time it takes may depend on how many channels you follow and how many images are stored there. Once the export is finished, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on that, and a folder will open containing all your exported photos neatly organized and ready for you to view or save wherever you want. That's it. You've now successfully exported photos from public channels on Telegram for PC. With this method, you can easily back up your favorite images and keep them stored safely on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out yourself and enjoy having all your Telegram photos in one place.